Marty, touch my ear. Good boy. Marty, touch my ear.
First step in getting control over Marty was inducing him to imitate simple gestures on demand, like clapping his hands.
Marty, clap your hands. Clap your hands. In this teaching booth, we can provide both pleasant, rewarding experiences for the child, as well as somewhat unpleasant experiences. For instance, when the child is cooperating and performing as the teacher directs, he may be given a piece of candy from this candy window. Should the child fail to cooperate, fail to pay attention while the teacher is working with him, he may be given a negative reinforcement, such as having the booth closed off and being separated from the teacher until he initiates contact by pushing a button on his side of the booth.
It took 2 months to teach Marty these responses, but this was